Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Furniture Suite today. We're diving into the world of sofas, exploring three distinct styles that can transform your living room into the ultimate cozy haven. So, let's get started. First up, we have the versatile sectional sofa. The standout feature here is flexibility. Sectionals offer multiple seating sections that can be arranged to fit your room's layout perfectly. Whether it's a cozy chaise lounge, recliners, or ottomans, sectionals provide ample seating and lounging space for you and your guests. One of the key benefits of sectionals is their adaptability to different room sizes and shapes. In larger living rooms, they can serve as a spacious focal point, anchoring the seating area. In open-concept spaces, they can be configured to define separate seating areas, creating zones for different activities. Sectionals are perfect for families and those who love to entertain. They offer plenty of room for everyone to sit comfortably, making them an ideal choice for movie nights, game days, or gatherings with friends. These sofas come in a range of styles, from contemporary to traditional, and are available in various materials and colors. Whether you prefer leather, fabric, or microfiber upholstery, there's a sectional to match your aesthetic. When considering a sectional, think about the room's dimensions and layout. Measure the available space to ensure the sectional fits comfortably without overwhelming the room. Pay attention to factors like the placement of doors and windows, as well as traffic flow. So, if you have a larger living room or an open-concept space and you value flexibility and ample seating, a sectional sofa might be the perfect choice to enhance your living room's comfort and functionality. Next, let's cozy up to love seats. Imagine your own personal haven for intimate conversations, shared moments, and cuddling with your loved ones. These small, compact sofas are designed for just that. With various styles, materials, and sizes available, they bring charm and coziness to your living room. Love seats come in various styles, from classic to contemporary, allowing you to choose one that perfectly complements your living room's aesthetic. If you prefer a touch of classic elegance, opt for a love seat with button-tufted upholstery and rolled arms. For a more modern vibe, go for clean lines and sleek design. One of the greatest advantages of love seats is their space-saving nature. Perfect for smaller living rooms, apartments, or even a cozy reading nook, love seats make the most of limited space without sacrificing comfort. They are available in an array of materials, from plush velvet and soft fabric to durable leather. The upholstery you choose can significantly impact the style and feel of your love seat. Whether you prefer the classic warmth of leather or the soft embrace of fabric, there's a love seat to match your taste. When it comes to size, love seats are designed to comfortably seat two people. Their compact dimensions allow them to fit snugly in tight spaces while still providing room for close conversations and quality time. In addition to traditional love seats, you'll find love seat recliners that offer added comfort with built-in footrests, perfect for a cozy movie night at home. So, whether you're outfitting a small living room, creating an inviting nook, or looking for the perfect addition to your apartment, love seats offer the ultimate solution for intimate seating and stylish charm. Mid-century modern sofas. Now, mid-century modern sofas. They're like a time machine that takes us back to the stylish 50s and 60s. So, what makes them so cool? Let's find out. These sofas are all about keeping it simple and chic. They have clean lines that give them a neat look. Plus, they've got these fancy wooden legs that add a bit of warmth, and the shapes are bold and fun. They often rock retro-inspired colors. It's like a blast from the past that still looks amazing today. Now let's discuss, where can you show off these stylish sofas? The beauty is, they can fit into all kinds of rooms. Whether your place is all modern and minimal, or you've got that groovy 60s vibe going on, these sofas work. They can be the center of attention in a vintage-themed room or blend in seamlessly with modern spaces. They're like the chameleons of the furniture world. If you want to add a touch of timeless style to your living room, consider a mid-century modern sofa. They've got that retro charm with clean lines, funky legs, and cool colors. There you have it. 3 fantastic sofa styles to consider for your living room. Whether you're after flexibility with sectionals, intimacy with love seats, or a classic elegance with mid-century modern designs, the choice is yours. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into sofa selection, upholstery, and room layout in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.